we begin by lighting a candle. The flame serves as a beacon to the muses to bless this art session and to fill us with inspiration. And then we pull a card from the studio deck. This is my personal studio deck. And we get the guidance to be gentle with yourself. And then we begin painting, laying down colors, making marks, stenciling, finding images within the layers of paint and markers, and seeing where this journey takes us. Hello beautiful souls, this is Shinjini from Modern Gypsy and welcome to my channel. So this is a little art ritual, a little intuitive painting for you. As you can see, I'm just laying down a few colors of paint and then I'm going to come in with some stenciling. This is a Diane Reevely stencil that I'm using, and I'm just going to lay it down around the page, and I'm just going to speed up this part of the process because you don't really need to sit down and watch me stenciling for too long. And then come in with a bit of watered down black paint and just make some random scribble marks. And within these marks, we will find our image. Almost immediately, I see this outline of a woman, and it looks like a woman with her back to us. And so that's the image that I'm going to pull out of this painting. And in the rest of this process, you can just see how I pull out this painting, the different color choices that I make, the ways in which I build out the page. And I really hope that you enjoy watching this process. And that you will have a little art ritual yourself sometime soon.